I'm going to show you how to order the AO file just through Officeworks. So I'm here on the Officeworks site. I'm going to print and copy and then to plans. Scroll down, printing plans, click view, and then we want the finish size as AO. Click create. Then I'm going to upload the design, so upload your pattern that you've downloaded. Choose file. This one I've chosen the camp collar shirt men's, which is size small to 2XL. And it always says oops for some reason. It always says oops, there is a few things you need to fix before you continue. It actually fits perfectly. I've printed this many times. And if you want to just check that all your patterns are sitting inside that line, and if you didn't want to print this last page here, because that flat version is really useful if you're cutting out stripes or something where you have to match everything. But if you don't want to print that one, you don't have to. So just upload the first 2 pages. Now you're ready to click next with that. And then with multiple patterns, I like to print the colour one, particularly if you've got lots of lines overlapping. This one's not too bad because you can quite easily see all the lines, and all the lines have different line designs, so you can tell which one's which. But I often like to do colour, but this pattern you can certainly do black and white. Click next, and then on 80 GSM bond, click next. You don't need to laminate it. Click next. And then you have all your details there ready to add to cart. I like to give it a project name. If you're doing this a lot and you'd like to keep track of all your print jobs, add to cart, and then, yes, whether you're picking it up or having it delivered to you.